Hello interwebs. Hi. I just wanted to pop on real quick, say hello. I have a bunch of miscellaneous clips from the last few weeks. I haven't been able to consistently vlog, but I have filmed some things. So here's some tidbits of mostly I think the cats and Addie. I have a couple of these videos to upload. Who knows, maybe I'll get a little more consistent as the summer ends, but so enjoy. I will talk to you soon. Yeah, I'm attempting to make some tuna fish. For me. Not you two. Are we playing games with Mimi? Yeah? Did you put Mimi in the basket? Yeah. Where's the ball? So, put the ball in the basket so she can get it. There you go. Okay. Sit back here so she can get it. Is Mimi getting the ball? It's so much fun to watch her learn and figure out how the function of things are. Oh, yeah. Oh, she got it. Oh. Put the ball back in. Yeah. I don't know what the grunting's about. Ready? Dexter's like, whatever, there's no treats involved. She's gonna come back and put it in the basket for Mia. Why are you growling? What do you guys think? Yeah, pretty much. The only problem with straws is that she's now obsessed with in and out with the straws. So drinking your morning kefir is not very productive. Straw in, straw out. It's fun watching her play habits change. It's a sheep. She's starting to, I don't know, interact with toys and make them like walk, make noise, talk to them. It's kind of fun. She's just playing differently. She's maturing. Sheep. So what's a sheep say? Bah. Bah. And that is the littlest table and chair set, and it's amazing how far her feet are from the floor. I think we're gonna go get a stool. Make it easy for her to get up and down. Yeah. Oh, 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 drunk baby's drunk. And then there's a Mia. Do you want to show Mia the horse? Show Mia the horse. Yeah, good job. Oh, Mia doesn't want it to bounce on her head though. She's trying to make it stand up on Mia's back. Here, let's see if we can do this. Oh, no, she wants to stand still. Oh, no. Do you have the straws? Are you teasing Mia this morning? What are you doing? Are you spinning round and round? I have the straw power. Do you want me to throw one for Mia? Okay, hold on. She likes me to do it because I make Mia crazy. It's funny because I'll throw this and Mia won't fetch it. My child will. She'll go get it and bring it back to me to do it again. See, she's gonna go get the other one I threw. You got it? Seriously, this kid loves the cats. Yeah? All done. What can I do for you? Mm-hmm. Really? Yeah? Okay. We have a little kitty who would like to play wand all day. We have played wand most of the day. You want to play again? Oh, that and Bayou has some food in there. Look out, world. Tool Belt Addie is coming through. Oh, here, let's stick this in your tool belt too. There we go. What you got there? Oh, you want me to stick that back in your pocket? Now what are you gonna do? Tease the cats? Go fix something that needs rings? Mia, you're like, do I go get it? What do I do? Yeah. Good job. What are you doing? You checking out your tool belt? Nonplussed.